Welcome to Octosi Academy. Today's topic is on Gay-Lussac's law, the continuation of the gas law. Remember, we've talked about Boyle's law, we've talked about Charles' law. Today, we're looking at Gay-Lussac's law. So by the end of this video, you will be able to explain Gay-Lussac's law and do simple calculation on the law. Happy viewing. So Gay-Lussac's law shows the relationship between pressure and temperature compared to what Mr. Charles said. Mr. Charles compared volume with temperature. The law states that the pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature in Kelvin, provided volume is constant. So this time around, we are relating pressure with temperature at constant volume. So mathematically, P is directly proportional to T. So we have P with the proportionality sign, gives us the constant K. So at the end of the day, we have P1 over T1 equals to P2 over T2. This means that as the temperature of a gas increases, so also is the pressure, since they are directly proportional to each other. So when pressure decreases, temperature also decreases. So P1 equals the first bulk pressure, P2 means the second pressure, T1 the first temperature, T2 the second temperature, and these are the values for our temperature and pressure. And this also is the conversion rate from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. In case we are given the degree Celsius, our temperature is given degrees Celsius, we can easily convert to Kelvin using that formula. So the first question goes here. The pressure of a gas in a cylinder when it's heated to a temperature of 250 Kelvin is 1.5 atmosphere. What was the initial temperature of the gas if the pressure is 1 atmosphere? So we're going to be using this formula using P1, T1. So our P1 is 1 atm, P2 1.5. We're looking for T1 since we're asked to find the initial temperature. So substituting the value, making T1 the subject of the formula, we have 1 times 250 divided by 1.5. The value is 166.66 Kelvin. Remember, our temperature must be in Kelvin. Now this is the next question. We are to calculate the pressure given this value. So temperature is 300 K, pressure 3 atm. We look for the pressure. So P1 is 3 atm, P2 is what we are asked to find, T1 is 300 Kelvin, T2 in 900 Kelvin using the Gay-Lussac's formula. So we substitute for P2 since that is what we are asked to find a second pressure. So that gives 3 times 900 divided by 300, and our final answer equal 9 atmosphere. So that is all. This is a personal test you can try your hand on. So you have to calculate the pressure of the gas. Remember, the more you practice, the more you get it easier. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and subscribe to our channel at Octosi Academy. And please share with your loved one. Bye for now.